This exercise is called Bird Dog, and it's a stabilization exercise for your core. Saul is gonna go into a quadruped position, which means that basically his knees are directly under his hips and his wrists are underneath his shoulders. If you have a lot of wrist pain, you can go like Saul is into a fist. And you're gonna try to make sure that your spine is exactly straight in a neutral position and you're engaging your abdominal muscles. And then you're going to extend an alternate leg and arm. So that means the opposite. If you're using your right arm, you're also lifting your left leg, and you're gonna maintain this position without arching your back. So this is gonna stay nice and engaged. And this is the bird dog pose, and then you're gonna resume back to the starting position and go on the other side. Great, and you'll hold this pose for as long as you can, as per your physical therapist's prescription.